I have a surprise for you. Close your eyes and open.
My very own walk-in closet? Oh, this is the best Valentine gift ever! Thanks, honey. Oh, wait a minute. Where's the shoe closet?
Yeah, the shoe closet.
Hello lovely crafters, welcome back to my show. Today I'm gonna make Barbie fashion box as an easier way to make Barbie closet. First, you will need some old fashion magazines to find some editorial pictures that you think timeless. So these will be the main feature of my boxes. Anyway, don't you think she's too pretty to be put on a trash bin? So I'm gonna save her. And it will be best if you choose a magazine with a good quality of paper. Now let's get started to make the box. I'm using 3mm cardboard and I matched the size of my box to the magazine page I have. And these are my measurements. Match your size with the magazine page you have. Now let's start with the bottom part. Cut another pieces of cardboard like this. And your size doesn't have to be exactly as mine. And then put the glue right here. You can use whether white glue or hot glue. And here it is. And let's continue to the other side. Remeasure the size to get the perfectly fit one. And these are mine. The measurement will depend on the thickness of the cardboard. Okay, just like before, put the glue right here and put it there. And here's the bottom part of the box. And let's continue to the top part. It's nothing different except the width of the box, like this. Do exactly the same as before until you get this shape. And the whole box structure is done. It's gonna be a little bit loose like this, but it's okay. Making it too tight will gonna be so risky, so I'm not gonna do it. Now let's continue to cover it with some wallpaper sticker. It's very practical because it has measurement on the back and you're gonna save a lot of glue using wallpaper sticker. Just be patient and careful putting it on. Make sure it's in the right position before sticking it on, so you won't do the same mistake as mine like this. Avoiding any wrinkle is the main goal of all, just like the goal I'm doing to my face right now. Don't worry if it's not perfect, especially on the corner part. Just fix it with white glue later. Here it is. Do exactly the same to the top part, and let's continue to cover the interior part with some color paper. Of course, you can choose white if you prefer to have a safe, simple design. Okay, first, let's protect the corner part. Glue it like this, and then continue to this part like this. Remeasure the box and decide the size of the paper before you cut them. Of course, all of them have to be in a similar size. And then let me show you how to fold it neatly. them together using white glue and a brush. You have to spread the glue evenly to avoid air bubble. It is just sticking some paper, but of course, there's a technique to do everything neatly. And here's another technique to do this larger part. Glue it part by part to avoid some error, like this. If you think it still looks ugly with all the wrinkles, don't worry. It looks wet and wrinkling. But trust me, it's gonna be better when it gets dry. Now let's continue to the magazine pages. I can't wait to put them on. Just as before, spread your white glue using a brush and put them on. And I'm so happy my golden picture matched my golden wallpaper sticker. This is it. I love it. The fashion vibe is there, and it looks smoother after all the glue gets dry. And yes, I add a little gold lining to the edge of the picture, so it will look like it's in a frame. So here's my gold tapes. It has 2 sizes. I'm gonna use both. Here it is. I also add the lining to the border between the papers. It really helps to cover some flaw. As you know, it's always difficult to make everything perfect. So, this is the box looks like. It's like a fashion vibe appear whenever you open the box. And of course, let's continue to complete the interior part. You will need some round wooden dowel in this size. And here's my little review on some Barbie cloth hanger I found online. It's quite cheap and saved my time from making it one by one. Let's try to the stick. This one is good. I also found licas. I don't know whether this is original or not, but it doesn't matter, it's just a cloth hanger. Okay, this one looking good. Let's try another. I love them because they're not pink. You don't have to make everything pink for Barbie because it looks unrealistic. And here's another with a problem. It's too small for any stick, so I have to melt the plastic using hot glue gun without the glue until you get this shape. And I really love this one because it has hooks on the corners. But it has the same problem as before, so I have to melt the plastic and ruin the shape a little bit. Well, at least it's functional. Let's use them. Cut the dowel into a perfectly fit size and make something like this out of thick paper. I stack 2 layers of paper. The size is about like this. And make another thick paper into a ruler. You have to mark where you'd like to put the stick. Of course, you have to measure it. If you are sure about it, let's glue them together using white glue. What I like about white glue is it doesn't dry so fast, so you can still move it all around. Let's put the stick on. You can glue it or not. Even without the glue, it's tight enough. And you can change it easily whenever it's broken. So here's my 3 types of closet. One for the long dresses and jumpsuits. Another one is for the mini dresses like this. You can also use it for the folded long trousers. And the last closet is for the shorts, mini skirts, and short tops. But of course, you will also need the back closet. So I make another box in a little bit different size. It's less thick than the cloth closet. And everything else is the same except for the interior. I'm gonna put these shelves. I made it out of 2 stacks of cardboard just to create some thickness and cover it with the very same color paper. and just cut the excess. So I made 2 of them and make a simple ruler using any thick paper. The measurement is actually up to you. Yes, never glue anything without a mark. As I said, white glue doesn't dry so fast, so you have to hold it still till it gets dry. But I don't recommend hot glue because it's too risky. It dries too fast. The shelves are done. Let's continue to make the back hooks. Out of any thick paper, make something like this. I'm using 3 stacks of paper. So these are some of my bags. I'm gonna measure it and try it on. Perfect. And you can try it after all the glue gets dry. I love when everything organized. So, what would you like it to be? A walk-in closet or a boutique? And now tidying up after playing dress up won't be a struggle anymore. Just close the box and put them back in your storage. How fun and easy it is. Are you ready for my fashion montage?
Ready!
This is lovely. Try another. This is so classic, don't you think? No. Too iconic. White is never wrong. Please, honey, that's your wedding dress. Yes, honey, I love it. I really hope you like the show, and don't forget to leave your comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in my other show. Bye!